Here, you will learn Alight Motion from 0 to infinity. So let's begin.
The interface.
When you open Alight Motion, this is how it looks like. This is the home screen of Alight Motion. Below here are the tabs. The first tab is Home. Second is Tutorials, created by the Alight Motion themselves. Third is a plus button. This is where you start a new project. Fourth is where all your already made projects will appear. Fifth is Video Templates. These are pre-designed, customizable layouts for videos. They include ready-made scenes, animations, text, music, and effects, allowing you to quickly create professional-looking videos by just adding your own clips, images, and text. Think of them like a fill-in-the-blanks format for videos. Click on the plus sign to start a new project. Here are the project settings. Here, you can add your project name. Here are the project dimensions: 16 to 9, 9:16, 4 to 5, 1 to 1. 4 to 3 gives these are aspect ratios, meaning the shape of your video. 16 to 9 gives widescreen. Good for YouTube. 9:16 gives tall vertical. Perfect for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels. 4 to 5 gives almost square but slightly taller, used for Instagram feed videos. 1 to 1 gives perfect square, Instagram posts. 4 to 3 gives old TV or retro-style videos. 1080p resolution, FHD, gives this is how clear, sharp your video will look. 1080p means full HD nice and clear quality. Composition. Size. 1920 times 1080 gives. This is the actual pixel size of the video. 1920 pixels wide and 1080 pixels tall, the standard for HD horizontal videos. You can click this pen tool and edit the resolution according to your choice. And you can set up the frame rate from here. You can select a default background. Set your resolution accordingly. When all is set according to your choice, go ahead and hit in the Create Project. Here's Editing page. At the top left corner is the name of the project you created from the beginning. Next to it is a Project Settings button. Next is the Export button. These are the Undo and Redo buttons. These are the start, play, stop, rewind, and forward buttons. This is the Layers button. This is Preview button. And this plus button is where you can import everything into Alight Motion.